On today's video, the tribe is going to take you to Calke Abbey. It is not too far from where we live. We have to drive through narrow roads, however, but nevertheless, the drive is nice and smooth. We've come past many different beautiful scenes like this one. Yellow flowers on the fields. I don't know what they're called, but they're pretty. The ground cover 240 hectares, 80 of which are natural reserve, which preserves some important declining wildlife habitats. The gardens surrounding the house include a walled garden, orangery, plus kitchen and flower gardens. The drive from the main gates, it was actually really exciting because of all these trees that were lined up on the side in many different forms and shapes. Also, we were able to go in the house and the surroundings and the gardens for free because of our National Trust family membership. Your child.
Your NHS.
It's the National Trust. So it's a busy day today. This is not the main car park, but it's almost like full. I think there's an event. There's some police. What happened? Hi guys.
Guys, we're going on a picnic, guys.
Hi guys. It's my foggy kuya. Where's your shades? Calke Abbey is a Grade 2 listed country house in England. It is under the care of the Charitable National Trust. The site was an Augustinian priory from the 12th century until its dissolution by Henry VIII. Built in the early 1700s, Calke Abbey is a Baroque mansion, presented by the National Trust as a country house in decline. The house itself has not been renovated since being taken over by the National Trust in 1985. They refer to this property as the unstately home and country estate. Tiny though. Careful with that.
Norwegian Firebird kit.
It's moving, Marcus, it's moving. So what they've done with this property is to leave it as how they found it. They haven't touched any of the original furnitures. They haven't touched any of the original walls. They've left wallpapers to peel and every fixtures in the house as it was found. You still fit? Look how they do the shower, baby.
That's cool.
Somebody pumps there.
Water
And then
drill just
yeah, the shower head there at the top. The bathtub. It's a baby bath. I think.
Oh yeah.
Scary though. It's moving. Did you move it?
Yeah.
Why is it moving, Marcus?
Because it's the ghost.
Oh, that's Rumpelstiltskin.
Oh, I've seen them.
Rumpelstiltskin.
No, I've seen that thing before. I didn't like it.
Yikes!
Oh, look at that. Oh, look how fat his beak is.
Yeah, but this is disgusting.
That was cute. I want
Cute. Come on. Eerie in here. How are you finding it?
It's very good. Look at this.
Oh, I like this.
1734.
Oh my goodness, this is so nice. Look at that. Oh. Oh, geez, sorry. Another room in the house. Takore. Sorry if I scared you guys, but moving along, there are still quite a few rooms to explore in this property. And we're going ahead and find out more on what we can see in each room. There are so many interesting items that you can see and find along the way. Some of them the kids can recognize and figure out what they're used for. And they find it really amazing and try to compare the things from years and years ago to the things that we use today. And I find it interesting as well. So the kids were really amazed on how they were presented because it has been explained in their website that they have tried to maintain everything as how it was found. So you can really feel the atmosphere and the structures as you go along. So this is the servants' room, I think, or the servants' dining room. And you can see the ceilings, they're almost collapsing and falling apart, but they have just kept it in that state for now.
I don't want to go here. Let's go. Wait. Let's wait for some more people. Stay there. I'm scared here. Let's wait for some more people. Daddy said they went past this tunnel. I don't want here. Kuya.
Yeah?
There's no one here.
Let's wait for some people.
Kuya. So we waited for some people in front and at the back before we go through this tunnel. Oh my god, come on, Sky. Sky! Oh my god, Sky!
Sorry.
Come on! There's no more people in. Kuya.
Sorry.
Sky. Oh, you're on your own there. I'm running.
Oh, we were leaving.
It's dark. Kuya.
Yeah?
Where are you? I can't see you anymore.
I'm here.
Sky.
Yeah?
We'll go past the dark bit. Please keep to the left. But I go. The steps are so tiny, it won't even fit my foot. Stay to the left. That's it. So you like the tunnel then?
Yes.
Well, Kuya and I waited a few minutes for another group of family.
Why?
Oh, I'm scared. It's dark. I'm gonna go there on my own. I bet the tunnel was your favorite one.
Yeah.
My favorite one is, guess what?
The wine cellar.
No, I didn't see that.
Oh.
Is there one, sir?
They're like a massive tub, wooden tub.
No, my favorite is, which one, Kuya? The bed.
Oh. Yeah, there's
Thank you for watching, guys. This is the inside tour of Calke Abbey. On our next video, we'll take you to the grounds and the gardens of Calke Abbey. Keep an eye out on the next video. Bye, guys!